make you go. That's the love of my life. We get to spend the rest of our life together. I'll call you my wife. I can tell you that from the very first day we met, that beautiful smile captured my heart. And that smile has remained ever radiant till this very day. And just like our vow, I promise to love you all the days of my life. And I promise to value and cherish you all the days of my life. And I'm happy that we're going to spend the rest of our life together. And I can't wait for the next 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50 years together. I love you so much. Big against.
I love it. So it's a big book like this. You need to cook up. Now we just a dog.
Hello guys, this is Whisper Media. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we travel to Nike Lake to document Michael and Esther's destination wedding portraits. So join me, let me show you guys how we achieved it. Peace. Okay, then look this way. Yeah. Look that way, then close your eyes. Close your eyes.
Relax, okay?
Take a deep breath.
Yes. No, you are doing good. You are doing good.
Then look that way, yeah, cool.
That camera is going to do it and go.
Five minutes, 3 minutes. And even I say 10, you give me 7. Can you look at her? Look at her. Look at her. Okay, groom her. Can you put your hand in your pocket? The other one. Then turn the other way. Turn this way. Yeah, cool. Perfect. Yeah, this is it. Chin down. Your head is too up. Yeah, just look straight instead. Yeah. Chin down a little bit, Brady. Yeah, cool. Yeah, beautiful. Is this your shoe for me? Back him, turn your back on him. Hey, perfect, yeah, cool. Then come closer, hold him by the waist. Hold her rather, sorry. No, turn, no.
Look at us.
Hey, yeah. No. Smile. Okay, you can start coming now. Hold it. Yeah, be coming.
Don't hold it too much.
Do you know this thing you are wearing? Is there any law that says that you must wear the other one? Chin a little bit, yeah. Okay, see, I can up one pocket, then raise, put.
Raise this one.
Yeah. Then look at me, your face on me. Reflect on him. Do you? Yeah, good. Thank you. Very good. Yes, we are not reflector. Oh.
Smile. I'll buy you cheeseburgers. Smile.
Okay.
Okay, can you look that way? Just bring your leg up. Yeah. No, you face. Yeah, look that way. Yeah.
By the way, remember to strike a pose.
Yeah, it's give you a pose, kinda.
My baby, my husband, you have to smile.
I'm not smiling more.
Okay.
Like
At the end
crying.
of which one is you feel like crying? Sam, I'm like, this guy.
I didn't mean it that way.
Okay.
Just keep going.
At the end of every day, you're the one I long to see, the one I want by my side through every joy and every tear. They say marriage has its good time and in bad times, but choosing you, a very kind man, I know we'll go through every season of it. I love you so much, and I'm glad I'm doing life with you. You don't say you go clap for me. Encouragement. That be beautiful. Yeah.
This way. No, look at me. Your eye on me. You're perfect. Take a deep breath, Brady. Peg her here, peg her here. Then, Brad, chin up, close your eyes. That's when we close your eyes. Yep.
Allow the single breathe to. We are good.
We are ready. We are ready.
When it's done with pictures.
What batch is that? Is this which one?
There's one. Just we have one.
Ijia? Ijia? Alright, so I want you to both of you. Like that, good. Wait now, where I say good. Alright. 3, 2.
Lights, lights. Ajay. Ajay. Come on up.
Hold it back, hold it. Show yourself, man. Hey, recording. Is this thing on? Alright guys, it's a wrap right here on Nikki Lake Resort. We just spent an amazing time with Amaka and Michael. And what's the hashtag again? I can't remember, but it's a really amazing one. It's been a fun time. I've been on set with Pro. Say hi. Hi, my guys. It's been a really fun time. We had the whole amazing crew. Come here. We had the whole amazing crew. Right here we have the one.
Nakata.
What was that? You see, it was a fun time here. So you can see the kind of crew we're working with. And when you work with an amazing crew, it's just good vibes all along. So stay tuned, get ready. We have a whole lot more coming.
We announce our wedding really soon.
I did not say anything.